now, instead of doing it you can even just put it in a bin, and the toddler can clean it up with water play. So they can I just put some soap in the bin, empty bin, just stick everything that I used inside there. Be creative, grab whatever's in your kitchen. You don't need to buy anything. That's what I'm trying to really emphasize here, is you have so much in your house. Use what you have and make it work. If you don't have a bin, use a bowl. Like you have use a big dish. Anything that kind of works for you. But here's some sensory play, and then he can sit there and clean all the dishes. The baby was upset. It didn't last very long, but they'll build it up. She's just at that stage right now. She's teething. But there's 2 little activities that cost you nothing, and all you needed was a few materials that you can just pull out. In my house, you can tell it's still a mess right now. Again, it's not about having everything perfect. It's not about what everything else looks like. It's about having your kids have fun learning and enjoying life.